Hello everyone and welcome again to a new video tutorial. Today guys I'm going to show you how you could delete a partition or hard disk partition. So probably you open your PC shortcut and you find that you have too many partitions and you would like to reduce them from 3, 4, 5 to 2 or 1. So all what you will have to do first, you will have to make sure that that the partition which you want to delete, that there is no data in it, and also the one which you want to merge. So for example, these two partitions, I want to make them as one partition. So I will have first to clean them from the data to make sure that there is no data because they will be formatted before being made as one partition. The second thing which we'll have to do, we'll have to go to the search tab. Regardless if you have Windows 10, Windows 7 or Windows 8, to work in the same way. And we'll type create and format hard disk partitions. We will open it. We will wait a few seconds until all the parameter is there. And here we can see this is the two partitions which I want to make as one partition. And here we have under the letter H and under the letter F. So here 300%, and the letter F also 300%. So there is no data in these two partitions. So first I will click with the right button on the mouse on the first partition and I will select delete volume. I will select yes, delete the volume. Now it shows that my volume is unallocated. So the second step which I will do, I will also make sure to delete the first partition, which is also empty. So I will click with the right button of the mouse and I will select delete volume. I will select yes. Now the both partitions has become one partition with the size of 900 giga. So now I will click on it and I will click with the right button of the mouse. I will select new volume, new simple volume. I will select next. I will make sure that the simple volume size in megabit matches the maximum disk space in megabit. I will click next. Here I will select the letter B as assign the following drive letter. It's not really mandatory which one you want to select. You can just leave the default one or you can select a letter if you like one. So I'm just selecting the letter B so that it's visible for us when I finish making this two partitions one. I can show it to you that it's one under the letter B. So now I will click next. Here, as I said, that the two partitions will be formatted before making one partition. So you will have to select format this volume with the following settings: file system NTFS, allocation unit size default, volume label new volume, and perform a quick format. And we'll select next, and we will click finish. You will have to wait 1 to 10 to 15 seconds. And it will show you formatting. And now it's showing that new volume under the letter B, 931 gigabit, healthy primary partition. And now I'm ready to go. I will go to PC shortcut. And now I have only two partitions. I have local disk C and new volume B with 931 giga. So there were three, now there are only two left. I will suggest to you guys, before you start this, make sure that you are not deleting a system partition. There are some partitions which are made by Windows as recovery partition, as we can see here, or as the system partitions, like for example reserved to the system. Here I have two reserved to the system and the main partition. So make sure you are not deleting any of these important partitions of your system. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. If you still need assistance or help, you can always leave us a comment or send us an email and we will do our best to help you. And if you would like to help us more, you can click like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest video. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.